Hi, this is John from Chicago area, and welcome to my channel. I'm doing the Great Divide mountain bike trail, or a week of it, in Montana, and it's been a fantastic journey so far. I've completed 2 days, and I'm on my 3rd day, and I'm staying at a small lake, Clear Lake, which is about 7 miles south of Holland Lake. And then I'm going to go to Ovando today, which is a little over 48 miles and 3,700 feet of climb. I spent the night up by the road here. The lake itself is about a half mile down the trail. I did walk down and get some water last night, and I met father and son, Jim the son. I talked to him for quite a bit, and they brought their fishing poles, and they're doing about 15 miles or so per night, and it's a fantastic campsite. They invited me down to bring my tent, but then I'd have to push the bike back up, so I was all set up, so I said, no, I'll just get the water, and I thanked them. So anyways, they came by about 15 minutes ago, and they're on the trail already. It's a little after 8, and I will catch up to them and ride with them for a little bit. The highlight for today is we have a gorgeous single track coming up, and that's what I'm showing you the video of, is the single track. I think that's what most people would be interested in seeing. Most of the trail or the route is gravel road that varies anywhere from about 12 to 18 feet wide, but it does have some single track here and there, and this is one of the longer pieces of single track. Today I was planning on going to Sealy Lake, which is about 20 miles from my camp spot here, and have lunch and ice cream, but I missed the turnoff for it, and so I ended up riding all the way to Ovando, where I'm hoping to meet up with 3 people that I was talking on the internet with, and they're going in my direction, probably at about my speed, where today Jim and his dad, they're only doing 15 miles. They're going to, or 15 or 20 miles, they're going to Sealy Lake, and yesterday they came from Holland Lake, which was only 10 miles away, so they're taking a pretty slow trip where I want to see a little bit more and go a little bit more per day. I'm hoping for 50 to 60 miles per day. So let's see, as you can see, this single track here is just gorgeous. You got wildflowers. There was a grouse that popped up on the video, and it's just a fantastic ride today. I did miss, as I mentioned, lunch, so I fixed some peanut butter jelly tortilla shells. I had that for lunch. The bees are starting to come out, and they were going after it, so I had to walk around while I ate, but it's gorgeous out, and today's a great ride to Ovando. Ovando had a little bit going on there. There was a woman that was killed there about 4 weeks ago, by a grizzly bear. It came by at night. She was camping with 3 other women, and it woke them up. They chased the bear off, and I guess the bear came back a couple hours later, about 5 in the morning, and killed her. So the people in town were really shaken up, so they're allowing people to camp in the church, so you don't have to camp outside. So I'm going to take advantage of that offer. I tried to get in the hotel, but the hotel was filled. Some sharp rocks. Pop a tire. When I got to Ovando, I stopped at the country store there and got some 7-Up, a beer, and an ice cream. I also got a shower there, which was really great. You could pay for a shower, and a hot shower, which was nice also. Then I went to the church, kind of put my things in there and started charging, and met up with the other 3 guys. That would be Ethan, Dick, and Hamad, and then we went out for dinner at Trixie's, and then the next morning we had breakfast in town. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those below, and thanks for watching.